Welcome, from me is the UMIDIGI Z2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, you can find it somewhere in there. And all you need to do is pop out the tray that is located on the left side of the device, as you can see right here. So that's where it is. And push it and you can see that the tray pops out, and in here you have access to put in the SD card like so, and the SIM card. Like this, I think, though it doesn't feel like it's. Give me a second. Okay, so there we go. So you want to place it like so. Just make sure that the SIM card is laying flush. It does have a little mechanism that just keeps it from actually popping out, as you can see, although the memory card doesn't, so memory card you need to hold in place. And from there you want to slide it back into the device, so let's do that now. And you can see there's the SD card already being recognized, and SIM card should be as well, hopefully. It might need a restart of the device, but as you can see, at least one of them is being read at the moment. But yeah, this is how you would insert it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.